it's an amazing substitute for deep frying. You gotta put the food somewhere. If you put them on a pan like this, what happens is the air goes like this, boink, boink, bounces off, it comes this way. Not only does this pan kind of block the flow and natural super convection that's going on in the air fryer, anything that's on the bottom of it is not gonna be exposed to the air frying air. It's just gonna be sitting on the pan, getting soggy bottom, everything. So put it on an air fry rack, and all these little woven holes help the moisture get off of the surface, off of the fry, out to outer space, moisture be gone. Use an air fry rack.